People, you're welcome back to another interesting tutorial today. Today this is the continuation of our ongoing tutorial. So if you have missed the first part of this tutorial, please kindly go and check it out. The link will be in the description box. I already explained how you can cut this beautiful and gorgeous style. So today I'm going to be showing you how to sew it. Okay, so today is just the sewing tutorial. All right, so let's get into it. Finish the neckline with your bias. So can you see? Next, you're going to sew in the darts. So I'm done sewing in the dart. This is what I've got. So you keep it aside, work on the front. So this is the front. The first thing now, pin it to where we want this thing to stop. So just overlap it and stop where you want the neck depth to stop. Next, you sew in your darts. See now is for you to join front and back together. Okay, so we are done. So you keep it aside. Keep this aside. Let's work on the sleeve. As for the sleeve, I'm just going to use bias to create the elastic channel. I'll just start from the notching that I have. I'll sew the bias so that I can insert elastic inside the channel. Next, you insert elastic inside the casing. All right, so the sleeve is ready. So the next thing is just to attach the sleeve to the shoulder of the dress. So first off, from the shoulder like this, from here, you measure how you want the position where you want the pleating to be. So let me mark it. From the top, let me mark 2.5 or 2. That's around the place that I want the plate to start from. Do the same thing to the second side. Place the sleeve on top of it. Match the notching on the sleeve together with the shoulder seam. Mash it together like this. Then you go to the armhole. You stitch till you get to where you have your chalk. Then you pleat the excess. I'm stitching with 1/2 inch. Then again, come to the other end of the armhole, mash it together with the end of the sleeve and pin. Just use your hand to walk through to where you shock for the pleat. When you reach there like this, then you pleat the excess again around that place. You can pin it down. Can you see? Next, you repeat the same thing to the second side. So when you are done, you are going to close the side using your measurement. Make sure you confirm your measurement before you close it. But we added 1 inch allowance, so let's just close with the 1 inch. Since there's no lining, so we believe nothing has reduced our measurements, okay? Close the second side as well. The down part now, we have pinned the center, so let's work on the center. So the next thing is just to join it together with the upper part. Ensure they align properly here. Can you see? So if you do your calculations well, everything will jive, they will align properly, okay? So let's start from the center. The center is very important, so you want it to balance well. So let's start like this. So you're stitching it together with 1/2 inch. Okay, so I came back to where I started from so that I can sew to this other side. So I don't want the seam allowance to be showing from the good side. So I just flip it upward a bit so that I can just stitch on it. So that it's not going to be showing from that opening on my waistline. Just a little bit. So that this, you see, that you're not seeing the allowance again. So I push it upwards so that it's covered. So that you don't see the allowance on my waistline. Okay, so the next thing now is to close the center back and then you attach your zipper. Our zip allowance is 1 inch. From your waistline here, measure 9 inches downward. And from there, you're going to close with your zip allowance of 1 inch all the way down. So the last thing I'm going to do now is just to hem the down part of my dress. So the last thing I'm going to do now is just to hem the down part of my dress, and I'll go and give it a good press, and that's all. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and also type in the comment section, you guys, you are sweet. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you next time. And please, if you have any question, always leave it in the comment section. I'll definitely reply you. Bye. So I just want to fold my hair away so that you guys can see it. Like a complete look. It's just beautiful. It's just elegant. It's just fine.